In this demonstration we're going to look at creating a Windows 10 servicing plan. A Windows 10 servicing plan is an automatic deployment rule that allows us to deploy updates out to our Windows 10 operating systems. I've come into my System Center Configuration Manager console, come to my Software Library workspace, I've come into Windows 10 servicing, come to my servicing plans, and now we're going to right click and create a servicing plan. First thing it's going to ask me for is a name, so we'll just enter the name. I'm going to call that Windows 10-Ring1-IT Pilot. Once we put the name in, I'm not going to bother with the description, so we'll just select Next. Then what we're going to do, just for our target collection, we'll just browse through, find the collection we want to run this against. So we'll run this against our W10 servicing, Ring1-IT Pilot, and select OK. Then we'll select Next. That brings me to my deployment ring. So on my deployment ring, what we're going to do here is we're just going to verify that we have the semi-annual targeting set up here. So that is great. How many days after Microsoft has published a new update would we like to wait before deploying this into our environment? What we're going to do at this point here is we'll just move this to 10 days. Once we've got this to 10 days, we'll then select our Next button. In the case of upgrades at this point here, what we're going to do is we're not going to bother specifying any property filters. So what we'll do at this point here is we'll just select our Next button. In the case of our deployment schedule, what we're going to do with the deployment schedule, we're just going to leave all the defaults. So we're going to do everything as soon as possible. For an installation deadline, we'll give that 7 days. Then in the case of our user experience, we'll just hide in Software Center and all notifications. We won't bother modifying anything with the deadline behavior or device restart behavior. And then select Next. Then brings me into a wizard. So in this wizard here, we need to create our deployment package. So the first thing we have to do is we have to give it a name. I'm going to call mine W10 upgrades, and then I need to specify my package source. I'm going to specify // lon-cfg /e$ source and then W10 upgrades. Happy with the medium priority at this point here, so we'll select our Next button. Distribution point, we'll add in our distribution point, which in my case is lon-cfg, and select OK. In the case of the download location, happy with the download location, so at this point here we will be downloading our software updates from the internet, and select Next. What we're going to do at this point here is specify just English, and then what we'll do is select our Next button again, read through our summary, happy with the summary, select Next, and select Close. And what we've done at this point here is we've now created our Windows 10 servicing package, and we've deployed that against our Windows 10 pilot group. That's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.